Good morning everybody, hello and welcome to Tuesday the 31st of March 2020, and let's get straight down to it with today's phonics. First thing I want you to do is just press pause and draw yourself a table just like I have here, like yesterday that we started with. One vertical line, one horizontal line at the top so we can label our headings. Okay, pause now and do that, and then press play when you're ready to carry on. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do using our table is think about same spellings of different sounds. So when you hear a word, I want you to just say the sounds and write the word in the first column here, and then we're going to talk about one of the sounds in that word. So the first word that I want you to write is ask. Ask a question. So we're going to say the sounds. Ask. And I'm going to underline this spelling. What sound have I spelt with this letter? R. Ask. Ask. Your turn. Say the sounds and read the word. Okay, so we've got the A spelling the R sound here. Now, in this column, I'd like you to say the sounds and write the word fat. Fat. And we'll say the sounds again as we write it. Fat. And this time again, I want you to underline that A spelling. And notice that in fat, the A is spelling a different sound. So let's say the sounds and read the word fat. Fat. Your turn. Now in this word, the A is spelling the A sound, isn't it? Instead of the R sound. So, two of the same spelling, but two different sounds. In the word ask, the letter A is being used to spell the R sound, and in the word fat, the letter A is being used to spell the A sound. So, what I'd like you to do is listen carefully to each of the following words and say the sounds and write them in the section that you think they need to go in. Do they have the A spelling of R, or do they have the A spelling of A, as in fat? So the first word is cat. Cat. So choose a side, and I'd like you to say the sounds and build the word. And you should have chosen this side, because it's k, a, t, cat. And in cat, the A spelling is of course being used to spell the A sound. K-at. The next word is master. Master. So say the sounds and write the word master. And we know that it goes here. It shares that A spelling of the R sound. R. Master. Master. So far, let's say the sounds and read the words. We've got R, and here we have ask, ask. Asked, master, master. And on this side, with the A spelling, we have at, fat, k-at, cat. My turn, your turn. R, A. R, A. Same spelling, but two completely different sounds. Now I'd like you to choose a section to write the word father. The word is father. Will I write it here? No, it goes here. It's R, that sound that we focused on yesterday. Father, father. And one more, we've got the word jam that you spread on your toast. Jam. Will it go here? No, it goes here. It's the A sound. being spelt with that A. J-a, j-a, jam. Okay. Say the sounds and read each word again, making sure that you've got the right sound when you get to the A spelling. And then rub your boards out, and I'll see you back here in a second. Press pause while you do that, and press play when you're ready again. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is carry on as we were yesterday, building some words using the R sound, different spellings of the R sound. So what sound are we listening for in particular today? It's the R sound. Good. So the first word that I'd like you to build using these sounds is the name Arthur. Say the sounds and build the word Arthur. Remember to say the sounds to write the word, say the sounds to read the word. Arthur. Off you go. And we've got R, Arthur, Arthur. And we underline the R spelling, which is here. It's that AR spelling. So we'll put it just up here to remind ourselves. Arthur. Say the sounds to read the word when you're ready. And remember, press pause if I'm going too fast so you can keep up. However fast that you need to go is fast enough. The next word is balm, as in lip balm for your lips. Balm. So say the sounds and build the word balm, and then we'll read it afterwards. And we've got B, R. Can you underline your spelling of R in balm? It's these two letters. And we've got B, R, balm. So this time we've got that AL spelling of R. I've got some new whiteboard pens on the way, don't worry. These have seen better days. And they're on the way. The next word is dart. Can you use these sounds to build the word dart? And we say the sounds D, R, T, dart. And we underline the R spelling, AR spelling of R that we've already got up here from before. Art, dart. And these are the sounds that we need to build the word grasp. Grasp, to grab onto something. Grasp. And we build it like this. We say the sounds G, R, R, S, P. Grasp. Grasp. And we underline the R spelling. It's the A on its own spelling of R, which we don't have yet, so we'll write it up here. So we've got 3 different spellings of the same sound so far, all the R sound. AR spelling of R, the AL spelling of R, and the A on its own spelling of R. The next word is plaster. So these are all of the sounds that you need to build the word plaster. So 2 syllables, do it 1 syllable at a time. We've got plaster, plaster. So, pla, p, u, r, stir, s, t, p, u, r, pla, st, stir, pla, stir, plaster. We've got the A on its own spelling of R again, which we've already got here. Next word is rather. I would rather have a cup of tea than coffee. What would you rather? So, we say the sounds to build the word. R, R, V, We underline the R spelling. R, R, ra, V, the, ra, the, rather. The A on its own spelling of R again. Two more. The word is lather. So when you're washing your hands, which you're doing a lot of at the moment, when you rub the soap in and it creates a foam on your hands, that's a lather. You're working the soap into a lather. You're lathering your hands with soap. So we say the sounds to build the word. L, R, la, v, l, R, la, v, the, la, the, lather. And we've still got that A on its own spelling of R. The last word for today with word building is path. So these are all of the sounds that you need to build the word path. Path. And we say the sounds P, R, F. Now in this word, the T and the H are being used to spell F instead of V. In rather and lather, they of course were being used to spell what sound? They were spelling V, but in path, we have the TH spelling of F, and we've got that A on its own spelling of R again. So we've got three different spellings of R, same sound. Okay, rub your boards out or get yourself a new piece of paper or a new side of your paper. We're going to move on to reading some words that we focused on last week with different spellings of the OO sound. So again, what you're going to end up with is a table or 5 sections on your board or your piece of paper, like we did yesterday. So you can have 5 columns, you can have 5 boxes like this, or 5 of any shape really, as long as you can fit a few words in each. Or just divide your board or your page up however you can. You can do it like mine if you'd like to do it the same as this. And press pause, and as soon as you're ready with your 5 sections, come back. Okay, so the first word that I'd like you to think about reading is this. After 3, the word is 1, 2, 3, drew. I drew a picture. So there's an OO spelling. I'd like you to see if you can see the OO spelling and label one of your sections with that OO spelling. And it's those 2 letters, isn't it? The EW spelling of OO. Drew. So we're going to say the sounds and build the word into that section. OO. And we underline OO to remind ourselves. So that's the first section. The next word I'd like you to read is this word. After 3, the word is 1, 2, 3, coupon. Good. And there's another different OO spelling in that word. So when you can see it, head your next section with that OO spelling. And of course it's those 2 letters, isn't it? O and U spelling of OO in coupon. So we build the word k. OO, p, o, n. Coupon. A coupon is like a voucher, remember. Next word is 1, 2, 3, The word is rule. Now, we don't already have the oo spelling from that word, so in the next section you're going to write the oo spelling from rule. And of course it's that U on its own spelling. Rule. And next we have the word is 1, 2, 3, soup. Soup for lunch. Now we already have that oo spelling, I believe. So let's put that word into the right section here. And it's that OU spelling of soup, well spotted. The OU spelling of oo. Now there's going to be a name. After 3, the name is 1, 2, 3, Lewis. Lewis. And now we've got an oo spelling in Lewis. Which one is it? It's that EW spelling of oo. And we build the sounds into here. Oo, is, Lewis, Lewis. Remember to say the sounds as you write it, and then say the sounds to read, and you check. Each sound is there. Root is the next word. What's the word? The word is, and there's an oo spelling. So say the sounds and write root into the right section. It's this one here. We've got r, oo, t, root. These pens are not doing very well at all. The new ones are on the way. Never fear. Root. Okay, one more. One, 2, 3. The word is move. Good. Now we don't have that oo spelling from move, so we're going to add a new section, I think. And of course it has that O on its own spelling of oo, as in do and today. Oo, move. Since these pens are not quite lasting as long as I've hoped, do the rest on paper, so don't worry. The next word I will write on here. I'll just bring it up to the screen. Okay, the next word is 1, 2, 3, bruise. The word is bruise. Now you can see an oo spelling in bruise, I'm sure. Now do you have a section already in your chart for the UI spelling of oo in bruise? We don't yet, so we'll label the next section with that UI spelling in bruise, and we will say the sounds as we build that word into the section. So we write b, r, oo, z, bruise. And the next one is okay. 1, 2, 3. Soon. The word is soon. And there's an oo spelling there. We're going to need a 6th section, I think. So if you can find a new space to have a new section, and we've got that probably spotted, double O spelling of oo in soon. So say the sounds and build the word soon into your new section. And then we've got two more words. Okay. Next one is 1, 2, 3. Sue, the name Sue. Now we have got a section with that oo spelling, so as soon as you've spotted the oo spelling, you're going to write it into your section with that oo spelling. And of course, it's that UE spelling of oo in Sue, which goes... Don't have that either. So we'll need a 7th section, my goodness. So we've got the UE spelling of oo in Sue, so we need a new section heading with the UE spelling. And the last word is after 3. 1, 2, 3. Cruise. Good. Now we do have a section for cruise. Think about where the spelling of oo is. It's the U and the I spelling of oo. Same as bruise that we've just had. So say the sounds and write the word cruise into that UI section. The UI spelling of oo. Okay. And then when you have done that, pause the video whilst you rub everything out and get ready. Get a new piece of paper. We're going to do some sentence writing. So come back, press play when you're ready to begin again. So, okay, last thing for today, we are going to say a sentence and write it using some different spellings that we focused on last week. So, what we're going to do is listen carefully, my turn, your turn. We'll say it, and then we'll start to write it one word at a time. And I'll be writing it in my book here because the pens are not working anymore. But never mind, I can write it on here, and then I can show you, and you can check yours. Okay. So the sentence before we start to write anything is this. My turn. She heard about Ernie and Pearl, who lived in Earl's Drive behind the church. One more time. She heard about Ernie and Pearl, who lived in Earl's Drive behind the church. Say it with me this time. She heard about Ernie and Pearl, who lived in Earl's Drive behind the church. One more time, you say it. Okay, so the first word is she. Say the sounds and write she. And you've got this. You've got sh-e. The next word is she heard. She heard. So finger space, say the sounds, and write the word heard. And underline your spelling in heard. And then check that you've got the same as I have. So I've got with the E-A-R spelling of in heard. So don't worry, change that if you need to. The next word is she heard about. She heard about. Say the sounds and write about. Okay, check that you've got the same as I have. She heard about. And change what you need to. The next word is she heard about Ernie. Now Ernie is a name, so we'll need a capital letter and we say the sounds and write the word Ernie. And if you've remembered, underline your spelling and check that you've got the same as I have. We've got E, Ernie. Next word, she heard about Ernie and. Say the sounds and write and. And, that's easy. She heard about Ernie and Pearl. Good. So capital letter for Pearl. And we have the sounds to write the word Pearl. And underline your spelling. And we've got this. Pearl. She heard about Ernie and Pearl. Who? Who? Say the sounds and write the word who. Think carefully about your spelling of and oo. And check this one. She heard about Ernie and Pearl. Who? W-H spelling of O spelling of oo. She heard about Ernie and Pearl who lived. Good. Say the sounds right. Lived. And we've got, ready to go, we've got lived. Lived. She heard about Ernie and Pearl who lived in, that's easy, She heard about Ernie and Pearl who lived in Earl's Drive. Earl's. Now it's the name of a road, so it needs a capital letter. Earl's Drive. Z. Capital letter for drive. D. R-I-V. And underline your spelling in drive. She heard about Ernie and Pearl who lived in Earl's Drive behind the church. Last three words. Behind the church. B-E-I-N-D. The church. Underline the spelling in church. And there's a stop mark at the end because we finished that sentence. So let's check. What have we got? She. Heard. About. Ernie. And. Pearl. Who. Lived. In. Earls. Drive. Behind. The church. She heard about Ernie and Pearl who lived in Earl's Drive behind the church. And just take a minute, pause there if you need to, and check the spellings of have been underlined and that you've got the same spellings as I have. And that you've got your stop mark and your capital letters in the right place. The letters are beautifully formed, I know. Okay. And that is where we will wrap up for today. Whiteboard pens are on the way. They're on order, so don't worry about that. We won't have to deal with scrappy bits of paper again tomorrow. that will all be sorted. So I will see you again tomorrow. Have a lovely day, and I hope you are able to get out, get some exercise, some fresh air with the grown-ups in your house, and have a good day. Okay, bye now.